Urban Air. And then you can't get out.
This one?
You want the orange chicken?
Yeah.
What else?
So bottle of water. I'll take the iced tea.
Okay, let's go over here.
You can come back to that.
Good morning mga kachupapis. For today's video, pupunta tayo sa Urban Air Trampoline. Dahil day off ng aking asawa ngayon. At wala kaming magawa sa bahay since summer. Gala namin to mga kachupapi. Igagala ako ng aking asawa. First time po pupunta ng Urban Air Trampoline dito sa Wisconsin. And let's see how much and let's see if maganda ba doon, and tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pagkain na binibenta nila or yung mga rides na na pupuntahan natin. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba. Let's go mga kachupapi, samahan nyo kami.
Urban Air.
Dito na kami. 7 na mga kachupakis at perfect open na siya. 11 to 7 p.m. Ikot-ikot muna kami, titignan namin kung mga yung mga meron sila dito. And then malaki naman siya. Meron pang birthday party. Ay, they have birthday party, oh. And this is the go-kart. Maliit lang pala yung go-kart. Oh,
Nobody.
maliit lang ang go-kart. But the good thing is they have second floor.
I don't know if they could go. This is not the one.
It's a little bit small. Ayan yung go-kart nila mga kachupapis na. Okay, let's go. Second floor. Ito yung second floor. Malaki, no, B? It's big.
You still want to ride it?
Only go-kart.
We can go.
But I saw it's $35.
We'll go.
Nice. Mayroong bata doon sa taas, oh.
Which we could do. We can do the go-kart, the flip zone, spin zone.
So, finally, bumili kami ng $35 for 99 cents. Ang ticket, unlimited na kahit hanggang anong oras namin umuwi. Kasi nagko-close sila ng 7 o'clock. So, pwede pala dito mag-party oh, mga chupapi. Bye-bye party oh. Pwede pala dito eh, pag birthday mo, no? Tapos ito yung kanyang view. Yan, so magra-rides kami ng go-kart first. Yes, tapos na kami sa kart. Hindi ko na-videoan kasi kami dalawa ng asawa ko. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-cellphone pagka nagganyan. So, dito na lang kaya tayo, B. B, let's go this one. This one. Yeah. And this one.
You want to do it, you can do it. I don't want to do this one. This one's going to be hard for you. Let's see what else they have.
Malaki rin pala. I think that's it. No, the go-kart is only good.
Jump on the trampoline.
Yeah.
Come on, babe, get a slam dunk and then I'll get in. Okay, you finally got one.
You're ready to slam dunk?
Hey, give me your bag. And then you can't get out. Swim. Swim to the other side. You can't get out. See if you can do it. Catch on. It's kind of like what? Swimming pool? You're supposed to cross the bridge. How was it? It's super slow.
Yay! Mga kachupapis, nag-enjoy kami.
Some will claim this. I won!
It's so tight jumping.
But they made it a little short for you guys because you guys came last. And then since it's time to go back, you guys arrived at the exit last.
Yeah.
So they just let you guys go first. But I actually beat the first place because the guy that go first is the blue car, the one with him and his daughter.
Yeah, you beat me.
Yeah.
Where's your car?
You went first. It's here somewhere.
Here.
Nice. They went
Lagi na lang
first. They went first, and then you went first.
So, we're going to the mall. Ay, I forgot. Sakit pala yung kiss.
I was waiting for kids to catch up to me, but they didn't. 'Cause maybe they didn't know how to race. That's fun.
Pagod ako dahil. Parang nawalan ako ng 10 kilos dun. Babe, I think I lost weight.
You think so? Why?
Because the jumping
You think so?
is so tiring. So, punta kami ngayon sa, where we gonna go?
Fox River Mall.
Ha?
Fox River Mall.
Fox River Mall. Kakain kami doon ng lunch.
It's near here.
So, alauna na. So, 2 hours kami sa Urban Air. Actually, unlimited naman siya. So, goods. Pero, konti lang yung ano niya, play. Maganda to sa mga bata.
6 minutes.
6 minutes to go. Okay, papunta kami ngayon sa Fox River Mall. Let's go!
Lunch there, you know, we'll walk around a little bit before we get home.
Aha. Here, very gloomy today. Wow!
Alright, what are you in the mood for?
Rocky Road. Panda Express? This is the old food.
This is the food court. This is everything they have. Monkey Roco, Subway. I don't know what that is. So look for Japan.
Ay, they have ano, population.
It's not Thai food. We went
It's
the
Chinese,
last,
no?
Yeah, we went the last time. It's Chinese. I don't know what the part of Thai.
Maybe Japan.
You want the Japan? This
And
is
then
like
Panda
very
Express.
different.
Ay, let's see the ano.
You want to check it out first before you decide?
Yeah, check it out. Let's go check it out.
This is like Nori Japan.
Yeah, Nori
It's
Japan.
just by a different owners. Two entree, one slide for her.
We're eating a fight. This one?
You want the orange chicken?
Yeah. Yes.
Asian chicken.
You get different, huh? So we share.
I'm also gonna get the 2 entree, 1 slide. I want the chow mein. No, what do you want to drink?
Water.
Just water? So bottle of water, I'll take the iced tea.
Can I get the one? That one.
You want crab ragoon? Right. I'll take some crab ragoon too.
Anyone else?
That's it.
It's gonna be 3102 for you today.
Oy. Want some rice?
Yeah,
You can get it.
you can eat both. This is the teriyaki chicken. It's alright, it's good.
This is for teriyaki.
Mm-hmm.
Masarap talaga yung food panda rito.
Sirloin steak is really good too.
Yes? Steak? Checkman natin. Good. Kakain muna kami mga kachipapis. Kaya favorite ko tong Panda Express kasi parang siyang Filipino food pero mas enhanced to. How much all of it? 31?
$30. 1,500.
31 na to mga kachipap.
It's okay. It's not high, but it's not cheap. It's okay.
Gutom na gutom. You like their chow mein?
It's good.
Or just normal?
Okay. I've had better, but it's okay. It's not bad.
Okay, let's go over here.
Here is the
Yeah, everything is pink. Oh wait, I like this one. Wow. Nice. We're here at Victoria's Secret. I like this fun TV. $12.
Oh, that's not bad. $12.
I remember they have Secret sale. $44.
I think that's a whole set.
Yeah, it's 44 whole set. Pero,
You take some bites of that one.
I like it. I like this one too. Purple one.
That one's okay. I like the black one over there. Oh, that's awesome.
Hi mga kachupapis, kauwi lang namin at nag-enjoy naman ako. Very makulimlim sa labas at si Kiki nandito nakatingin sa akin. Ki, kamusta ang bebe lab? Ay? Nag-enjoy ako mga kachupapi. Doon sa pinuntahan namin, wala silang masyadong binibentang pagkain. Ang binibenta lang nila fries, cola, yung mga ganon. Yung wala silang yung parang gusto kong pagkain. So pumunta kami ng mall and then wala doon. Tinatagyawat na ako mga kachupapi. Kasi hindi na siguro kompleto yung aking tulog. And then yun lang mga kachupapi, wala silang masasarap na pagkain na tinda. Ang tinitinda lang nila is yung normal na pagkain. Kaya kung pupunta kayo doon, bawal magdala ng pagkain. Kaya sabi nila na pag once nag-exit ka, ibig sabihin hindi ka na pwedeng bumalik. Kaya yun lang ang pangit mga kachupapi. Dapat meron silang kahit na masasarap na pagkain doon para in case na magutom yung mga bata, meron naman silang bibili na makakainan ba na ayos. Pero meron naman sila kaya lang parang American food. So, hindi masyado recommended. Pero masaya naman, nagustuhan ko lang dun yung go-kart dahil basta masaya pagka nag-go-kart ka kasi medyo malaki. And hindi tulad ng bumper car na sa mall na medyo maliit lang. Yun ang nagustuhan ko doon. Kaya lang medyo ma-expensive mga kachupapi kasi $35 ang isang ticket. Pero unlimited naman, ayun ang kinagandahan. Unlimited. And kahit anong oras ka pwede matapos. Kaya lang one entry lang yun. So parang medyo para sa akin mabigat sa bulsa. Pero okay lang din. At least nag-enjoy na kami. At sa tingin ko hindi na ako mapupunta. Kasi pang buckets talaga yung mga kachupapi, pang mga 7, 8 years old, 10 years old, mga ganun. Ang pwedeng pumunta ron. Tapos ang daming mga bata. So, yun, nakakatawa naman. And then, pumunta kami ng mall, nag-ikot-ikot, nag-window shopping, and then, hindi naman kami bumili kasi medyo, medyo mahal na yung namin, binayad namin sa ticket, and then bumili pa kami ng pagkain. So mahigit $100 mahigit yung nagastos namin dun. So ang importante naman is nag-enjoy tayo, nag-enjoy ako, nag-enjoy kayo mga mag-asawa. And yun lang. Thank you mga kachapapi for always watching this, and sana nagustuhan nyo yung aming gala with my husband. And that's it. See you on my next vlog.